are processing meat birds. Yaha! I'm going to try meat bird. Meat bird.
Catch one. What are we doing?
We're putting feathers off chickens. We're butchering chickens. That's the chicken that Layla caught. She pinned it. She's being our pinner dog today. And then what you do is first you need to catch the chicken. Then you need to hang it upside down, duct tape its feet, and then you take it and you hang it. You find a soft spot in the neck, and then you cut there, and then all the blood drips down. After, like that, after all the blood's done dripping, you cut off the head. The body might move a bit still, like that one did. And then you hang it right there. After you hang it there, until you're ready to dunk it. When you dunk it, you'll dunk it in, you swirl it around, and you'll do this 3 times. Then you take it at the table.
I'm butchering a chicken.
And then you pull out the feathers. After you're done pulling out the feathers, you de-gut it. After you're done de-gutting it, you cut off the feet, cut off the little feet,
Hold on, I see you're there.
and while you're gutting it, you cut off the feet, and you gut it. After you're done gutting it, then you can cook it and eat it.
All right, back to the dough.
While we're wrapping them all up, it was fun. About 18 of them.
Yeah. The chicken feet
A lot of work.
and the chicken. Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're teaching our dog how to pin a meat bird.
Good girl. Okay, get it. Get it, Layla, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes, yes, good girl, Layla, good girl. Oh, good girl. Ha ha ha.